Hey, want to know how I, Baby Doe, reestablished my wealth situation in the late 1800s? Want to know how I went from rags to riches to rags? My husband, Horace Tabor, made around $9 million a year from his silver mines. Horace had mines everywhere, and his main product was silver. Silver was a lot easier to find than gold, and he made a lot from selling it. In 1893, the value of silver dropped dramatically. I used the money to spoil myself and my family, but I couldn't do that anymore. The problem was that the value of silver went down, and it was affecting Horace's income. This also meant that we were going to lose our home, and everything along with it. We began to lose very valuable items. Horace and I had to sell our amazing wedding gifts and even my beautiful wedding dress just to support ourselves. Horace is getting old now, and it's been difficult to find jobs he can do by himself. He can't do some of them because it hurts him too much. We pretty much had nothing left, but his friends started looking for a job in Denver. I am so thankful for them. They had been looking for a little while, and they found one so that my dear husband Horace could be a postmaster. The kids were ecstatic. If it weren't for them, we wouldn't have been able to make it out here in Colorado any longer. Horace has made a decent wage to support us. Horace has been getting terribly sick. He's tried to rest up and tried to work again. He's been doing really well until recently. Horace has gotten sick once again and has been bedridden. Now in 1898, my husband has passed away. We are all distraught and sad. At least we're all right now and stable money-wise.